Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. In order to update the firmware, you will need to go to the app, and most likely when you enter the robot, it'll automatically tell you that an update is available. Now you can click on Update Now, and it'll begin updating, but I'll click on Exit and I'll just quickly go to Enter, then Settings, so I can show you what to do in case it didn't show up automatically. The update didn't show up automatically, because if it didn't, you can go to Firmware Updates in Settings, and now it'll start checking for the update. You can, by the way, enable auto update if you wish, but I'll just click on Update Now. And now it will start updating. So it is currently downloading the update. It'll take a little moment for that, and afterwards it'll be done. So I'll just get back to you in a little moment. Now you can see that it's updating. It says installing, and it did give me a voice prompt, said updating firmware, and that this may take about 5 minutes, so I'll be back when it's all done. But yeah, that's basically it. For extra, to make extra sure, it's always worth to afterwards, once it's installed, trying to go to firmware update again to make sure that it installed everything, and maybe possibly you need to do that again for like an even newer version, because maybe it couldn't install the newest immediately, and it might have needed to install an older one first and then the newer one. And now it says the firmware update's complete. So that's about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.